Welcome back, everyone. I've destroyed my ARMATTAN gecko, but fortunately, ARMATTAN has a lifetime guarantee on their frames, so let's do this. Let's walk through how to do this and see how it all goes. First of all, what is covered under the warranty? Carbon fiber parts as well as milled aluminum titanium parts on the majority of their models. The parts warranted can be found in the model specifications for each model listing on the ARMATTAN website if you're unsure. What is not covered by the warranty? Electronics, foam parts, bolts, nuts, screws, and aluminum standoffs, or any parts that you don't have in your possession. Your product will not be under warranty if you don't have proof of purchase, unless it's a model that doesn't have like clones or fakes made of them, but it's better to just keep your proof of purchase anyways. It's pretty easy. If you bought it online, it should be in your email. That's what I'm doing. Models purchased from non-authorized retails such as eBay, Amazon, and other multi-vendor platforms. So you have to buy your drone from an official reseller of ARMATTAN. It's just better to buy directly from them. Okay, warranty procedure. Show the damage. This is a very important step. Without this, your warranty claim will be declined. Take a clear picture or two of the damage that has been done. Do this before you take the model apart and proceed to repair it. Something like this. You're going to see the picture now of my broken drone. Now, part 2, proof of possession. So you got to take a piece of paper and you got to write down the following things. So let's do that. Let's do that now together. The first thing we're going to do is put full name. You can put your name, then your email address, then you can do your order number, and today's date. Signature. Okay, very, very nice. Note that this cannot be done electronically by using a photo editor to add the info to the picture itself. Anyone could get a photo on the internet and do this, so it's not considered proof of possession. Only a handwritten, dated note next to the model and the same photo will be accepted for this step. Proof of possession. So we'll take a picture of this. I broke my frame. Bottom plate. There we go. Proof of purchase. Along with the photos from step 1 and step 2, you need proof of purchase. So this is only for the models that have been copied or cloned. But basically, if you have it, you have it. And that's it. Now you're ready to send an email to support@armattanquads.com. You send them those pictures, and then it says, unless they require any extra information, the support staff will help you and get back to you. They'll give you a personalized coupon code, and you can use it to get the free replacement for your broken parts. The next step is to destroy your parts and reactivate your warranty. Once you receive your new part, then you have to do the same type of thing. You have to take a picture showing that you've destroyed the original part even though I think mine's already destroyed. But you just take another picture of it destroyed on a piece of paper saying, please reactivate my warranty. Don't do this before you get your replacement part. Make sure that you get your replacement part first. If you do destroy your thing before you get it, it will be considered voluntary destruction of the part. So it's like you just trashed your own thing. So don't do it till you get your replacement. If you don't do this, if you don't fully destroy it to the point that they're happy with it being destroyed, you will not be able to continue under warranty for that next part. So you got to make sure that you do the next step of destroying it, taking a picture, and asking them to renew your warranty. Now, if you get really creative and you destroy it in a fun way, making a video about it, they'll give you 10% off your next quad or purchase. But I like to just shop on Black Friday. If you do most of your shopping on Black Friday, that's when all the best deals are. So I'll just wait for then, use what I have, only get what I need, and then when I'm doing big purchases like getting drones or expensive stuff, just wait for Black Friday. You'll get everything on sale and it'll be better than 10%. It'll be like 25% or whatever. Yeah. So if you're gonna buy an ARMATTAN quad off someone and want to have that lifetime warranty, they have to have that purchase number. They have to send an email to ARMATTAN with your email address saying that they're transferring that warranty over to you, because that will be your proof of purchase there forward.
What are you waiting for? Do it! Just do it! Yes, you can! Just do it!
Without doing that, there's no warranty on any secondhand ARMATTAN purchases. Very nice. Tips to speed up the warranty process. Don't send them multiple emails. Just send them the one and wait. If you send them more, it'll take longer. Very nice. I hope this helped you. If you're someone that prefers to kind of be shown things instead of reading them in websites or whatever, I've always been very hands-on, so I have really bad ADD. I don't know if you can tell. But this is what you can do. Follow these steps and you will hopefully have a new quad soon. I will give you an update when my replacement comes and how that all works out. Hopefully, because it's just like my whole ARMATTAN experience has not been the greatest. If you're looking for your first quad, this is the one, and it's in the links below. If this helped you, smash that like button. For more practical drone stuff, subscribe to the channel. Hopefully we'll have some fun and happy flying.